Secretary General, colleagues, this debate cannot be carried out without a correct assessment of the current situation in the Mediterranean. And the reality is, scrupulous traffickers are making money by selling space on inadequate boats and strand vulnerable migrants who often can't swim in the Mediterranean Sea. The number of persons attempting a crossing have been steadily increasing. Thus, the risk of more persons perishing at sea. Yet rescues have and are being carried out in the best way possible, according to international law and humanitarian obligations. But it's only a few frontier countries, like my country, Malta, a small island with a high population density, who are undertaking these rescues. Only these frontier countries are currently shouldering all the responsibility to save migrants' lives at sea. This is not fair. It feels like we have been left alone to deal with this, even though, particularly in the case of my country, we have limited resources. And we cannot wait any longer for the Dublin rules to be reformed. So in the meantime, the Maltese, Italian, German and French governments, together with the Finnish presidency and the European Commission, have prepared a draft way forward to ease the pressure on the frontline states that cannot cope. This plan will be discussed at next week's JHA Council in the hope of gaining wider member state support and action. On a daily basis, we are trying our best to face these realities, more than our best. In 2019, there were 4 times the amount of arrivals of 2018. The situation is unsustainable. Currently, there are concerns about the amount of stress our reception facilities are currently under. But with the size of our country and workforce, we are acting with great difficulty and cannot continue to carry this responsibility alone. Rescuing should be done by a mix of properly equipped vessels with trained staff, following a rotation system of disembarkation in safe ports. We need to tackle this in the correct manner. The way forward, in my opinion, cannot depend on rescues carried out by NGO vessels. And whilst each member state must carry its responsibilities, we also need a long-term plan, which includes a fully equipped and functional Libyan Coast Guard, even if we need to look into the manner this Coast Guard would act. Action against traffickers is imperative. We must all express the need for a clear way forward to achieve a stable Libya. The Malta migration meeting proposals must commence with immediate effect. We must strive more together to continue working towards a more permanent solution. The way forward is more collaboration between European states. The frontier countries cannot be left alone any longer. Thank you.